Ever wondered how to quickly remove your Facebook account from other devices, maybe a phone or computer you no longer use? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can manage your logins and keep your account safe. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Look toward the bottom right, on some devices it might be the top right, and tap on the menu icon. From there, go up to the top right and tap the gear icon to open your settings. Now scroll until you find Account Center. Tap on it and then head into Account Settings. Inside this menu, look for Password and Security. This is where you'll find the tools we need. Next, go to Security Checks and then tap where you're logged in. Here, Facebook will show you a list of all the devices currently signed into your account. It could be phones, tablets, or even browsers you used in the past. Tap on your account, and you'll see those devices listed. If you spot one that you no longer use or don't recognize, you can log it out. Just select the device, scroll down, and press Log Out. If needed, Facebook might ask you to verify it's really you before completing the action. Once you're done, that device will no longer have access to your account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.